Hello everyone, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, 2018 was the year when I started uploading videos in YouTube. I've been working in the AI field from 2014 and probably now it's 2026. I've completed around 12 years. And I've seen everything evolving from basic statistics to machine learning to deep learning to generative AI to agentic AI, and now you specifically have AI agents. There's a lot of evolvement that is basically happening. And from the time that I've been teaching in YouTube actively, we have been taking courses in Krish Naik Academy. We have taught amazing courses. Many people were able to make successful career transition. But at one point of time, I always had this dream boot camp to probably launch in front of you. Okay. And this specific dream boot camp is about advanced route to learn AI. And once what I say is that if you are capable enough to probably complete this boot camp, getting a job, doing an interview, or working in any kind of research project definitely will become easy. And this is what we were planning from past 5 to 6 months. We were designing the syllabus. We are seeing what all things we can actually put up. And finally, guys, now the entire syllabus has been ready. I'd also shared it yesterday in LinkedIn, and many people liked it. Many people reposted it saying that, wow, this is what a production grade bootcamp looks like. So, in this specific video, I will be talking about our new amazing bootcamp that is Advanced Route to Learn AI. And this is basically a production AI and LLM engineering, which is a frontier area from research to production. This kind of bootcamp is basically there, right? So let me just go ahead and share my screens, guys. So I'm super excited to announce that on July 19th, 2026, we are launching this Advanced Route Bootcamp, which is a kind of a production AI and LLM engineering batch. And here we are going to focus from frontier AI, from research to production. That basically means we will start building applications, from research paper, and we'll try to show you how you can develop that and take it into the production. So in this specific video, I will be talking many more details about this particular batch, who should basically take this particular batch. And this batch is a part of advanced route to learn AI. So if you go ahead and see in krishnaik.in regarding the roadmaps here in the advanced route, right? This advanced route basically covers the entire syllabus. This is a very good batch for anyone who really want to get mastered in developing something in the field of AI. Okay. So let me go ahead and talk more about this. There are many points which I'm actually going to talk about. Later on, I will also go ahead and talk about the syllabus, what all things we are going to basically cover. There is a very detailed syllabus that we are going to talk about. What all things we'll be talking about, like what will be the complete tech stack we will be covering each and everything. So before ahead, let me finally bring this dream boot camp that I really wanted to launch from past many days. So this is basically getting launched on July 19th, 2026. This is a 7 to 8 months boot camp. So here we are going to extensively spend a lot amount of time. 8 months boot camp. The classes will be every Saturday and Sunday between 8 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. And after the 11 p.m. IST, we will be having doubt clearing session. Okay. The batch name is Advanced Route Production AI Engineering, Build, Deploy, Operate, Scale, each and everything. Okay. Now the first thing is that what production AI engineering basically means. You really need to understand about why we are actually focusing on this, right? So if you see over here, I've given a very detailed explanation. What does production AI engineering basically mean? It is about taking ideas from research paper and turning them into reliable systems used by thousands or millions of users. Okay. So this is really important. You can see we are taking a research paper, we are turning them into a reliable system, and which will be probably used by thousands and even millions of users. So here we are also focusing not only on building, but we are also focusing on scalability, right? When I talk about scalability, that how we can take this reliable system into production and we make it as an enterprise grade application, right? So that it is scalable and it can be visited by millions of users in a very easy way, right? So a kind of flow that you'll be seeing from the left side, right? So here we will be having a research paper. We will try to use some kind of LLMs. We will do fine tuning. We may convert that into a RAG. We may be converting, creating an agents. We'll be adding memory on top of it. We'll be adding evaluation on top of it. Other than that, we'll also be adding guardrails. We'll be adding observability, security. And finally, when we do the deployment, we will not just stop here, right? Instead, we will take it further ahead, wherein we will be doing the scaling and finally taking it into production in such a way that it will be used by thousands or even millions of users, right? So, from a research, the idea, we are converting this into a prototype and we are making this as a reliable production system wherein we focus on security, we focus on scalability, we focus on accuracy, we'll focus on cost optimize, we'll focus on monitoring, we'll focus on reliability, right? So every core concepts that is specifically required in an enterprise grade application, that is what we are actually converting this prototype into, right? And nowadays, everybody, let's say if you know how to develop this, any companies you just go, any companies, any interviews that you attend, if you are able to explain them how you actually did it, trust me, getting a job is just a click of a pen, or just like if you're just making this chutki sound, right? Then also you'll be able to make a successful career transition. You will be building solutions for companies who are actually focusing on all these things, right? So this is what production AI engineering means, and that is why we are launching this specific batch, okay, where we just focus on production AI engineering. So here we will be focusing on deployments, we will be focusing on scalability, we will be focusing on guardrails, we'll be focusing on evaluation, we'll be focusing on security, many things as well. At the end of the day, we need to make this as an enterprise grade application. That is what we are actually targeting, okay? So this is the first thing, what production AI engineering means. Now let's go to the next question, which many people may have, right? Why this batch is different, how it is different from all the other batches that we have actually launched till now, right? So here, this is not just a simple some kind of course, right? It is not like another prompt engineering course or a LangChain course or another AI tool course or any kind of specific course itself. Here, we are trying to make you understand how enterprise AI systems are designed, right? Whenever you work in any companies, for any client they probably work, they will be building this kind of enterprise AI systems, right? From architecture to deployment to evaluation to scaling, all are covered in this complete life cycle. We go beyond demos and build for real, right? You master everything, how the production architectures are, how the deployments are, how the securities are, how the evaluations are, how the monitoring basically happens, how the scaling and optimization actually happens. And finally, the outcome that you will be able to see, that we will be building real world AI projects, deploying to production, serve thousands of users, and be job ready for high impact roles. High impact roles where you get amazing packages. If you know all these things, guys, trust me, you are definitely going to get some amazing packages. And why I'm saying this, because we are having discussions with industry leaders already who are in companies. They are project managers, they are product managers, they are people, they are architects. I keep on asking them what kind of roles you are actually looking for, any kind of students, right? Because we get they will definitely provides us requirements, and we filter out many of our resumes that are available with us and we send them, right? And this is the kind of requirements that they specifically want, right? Now, coming to the third important question, I hope everybody has understood this, because this is one of the most common questions that people focus on, why this batch is different, okay? Coming to the next thing is that what is the vision behind this specific batch, okay? See, 3 years ago, many people wanted to become a data scientist, 3 to 4 years ago or 5 years ago, right? Today, everybody wants to become an AI engineer. right? AI engineer, if you should basically know, you should focus on building AI apps, you should focus on building agents and intelligent system. But now we are focusing for the next 3 years. In the next 3 years, company won't just hire people who can call APIs. They will hire engineers who can build reliable AI infrastructure. This is the most important thing. And our focus of this particular batch is to build AI infrastructure, right? This is what we are basically targeting at. And how to build this, what is the life cycle that is basically used to build it, and what are the core properties behind this AI infrastructure. It is very simple. We need to have a reliable system, secure by design, scalable architecture, built for millions. Because one of the common question may come in your mind: we don't want our data to be exposed to the outside world. We want to create an application which is following the AI governance. We are making sure that our data is not exposed anywhere, all those things, right? And for that, we will be planning to build our own thing, that is an AI infrastructure, right? That's exactly why we have built this advanced route. That is the simple reason. We take beyond tutorials and demos, we prepare you to design, build, deploy, and scale production grade AI system that powers real businesses. So from research to production, from ideas to impact, from you to becoming an industry ready. And this is the one of the dream bootcamp, guys. And trust me, I've prepared this from past 6 to 7 months, right? Invested a lot of time to design the syllabus. I will talk more about the syllabus, what all things are being covered in much more detail. Okay. Now, one of the question that may come: who should basically join? Perfect for ML engineers, AI engineers, data scientists, software engineers, backend developers, Gen AI developers, and working professionals who are highly experienced also. Very much recommended. This is not recommended for absolute beginners. If you're completely absolute beginner, you're just starting now, don't join this batch. Please don't do that, because this will be really, really tough for you. If you don't have any coding background, don't join it. If you're looking for a quick fix, this is not like a weekend or 2 hours or 4 hours AI tool workshop. It is a complete in-depth career transformation journey, right? Just want AI tool list. If you just want to learn about different AI tools, don't join this particular batch. This batch is focused more towards technicality. Yes, you can use APIs for becoming much more productive, right? But other than that, here our focus is to build something like an enterprise grade application. If you are serious about building a career in production AI engineer, you are in the right place. This will be the boot camp that you should definitely be requiring. Okay. Now, I hope I've spoken more about this. Okay. The prerequisite I've already told you, right? Who should join this batch, right? If this is not recommended, that basically you need to be very good at coding. You need to know about data science, machine learning, somewhat good, right? You need to be having some kind of basic knowledge. You need to be very, very good coder, right? Then only you'll be able to understand how you can actually build this enterprise grade application. Okay. Now, coming to the main syllabus, if I show you the syllabus here, if you go ahead and click on enroll now, then you'll be getting a link. This is the production grade AI syllabus. Here you can see we're starting from transformer architecture. Then we go ahead with fine tuning transformer architecture. Do something called an inferencing optimization, attention, variance, and scaling laws, LLM fine tuning, lifecycle, and pre training foundations, data preparation and synthetic data set generation for fine tuning, supervised fine tuning techniques, parameter PEFT and preference alignment. Then you can see evaluation, quantization, deployment, and fine tuning toolings itself. Because here, after fine tuning, we'll also show you how you can go ahead and deploy your own models, right? LLM models, mixture of experts, architecture for scaling LLMs, reasoning model, chain of thoughts, small language models. Nowadays, small language model is becoming very, very famous in use, and knowledge distillation, vision foundation from CNN to vision transformers, visual language models connecting vision and text, speech to text models and fine tuning whisper, embedding models, right? There's so much topics. Langchain for RAG, foundation of RAG, vanilla, embedding, chunks retrieval, advanced RAG, vector quantization, agent foundation, right? So we are going to cover many, many things. If you just go ahead and see, from we are also going to cover agent to agent protocol, see MCP and all. These all are very simple to cover up, right? There's a concept called as harness engineering, right? What exactly harness engineering, how to build it, right? How to build your own. Then there are so many different projects that we are going to cover. If you see, they're like 42-page syllabus, right? And we are going to basically cover each and everything as we go ahead with multiple projects. Like there are around 6 to 7 projects. Every project will require some amount of dollars to be invested in terms of deployment, fine tuning, and all, right? So if you're capable to do that, please go ahead and join this particular batch. Otherwise, don't do it. Okay. It is definitely going to become a very tough batch. Okay. Very tough batch. But once you learn it, once you learn this, how to do it, trust me, it'll be quite amazing. Then I've also created one animation kind of website over here so that you can go ahead and refer everything. Advanced route production AI engineering from research to production LLM RAGs agent and GenOps. 16 modules. You can see every topics that is basically being covered. Here you can see some of the libraries that we are going to use, what all things you'll be working with. So if you completely see this complete tech stack, here you have LangChain, LangGraph, agentic frameworks we are covering, fine-tuning stack we are going to use Hugging Face TRL, Transformers, PEFT, Unsloth, Exolati, Llama Factory, SageMaker. Then inference and serving, you can see VLLMs, SGLang, Llama.cpp, Light LLM, Olama, Fast API, and Gradio. Vector database and graphs, Quadrant, OpenSearch, FIRE, Neo4j, Chroma, Upstash, Redis, Milvus, Vivet. Observability and evals, we are going to cover multiple frameworks. Security and guardrails, multiple frameworks. Right? Cloud and infrastructure, data and synthetic generation, LLM APIs, models, everything we are going to cover. Right? If you probably talk about this batch, the main mentor for this batch will be Shoranshu Paul. I hope you have seen him. Along with this, we are also putting two more assistant, teachers along with this who are having industry experience along with this. So we have Yash and Divesh also. So they will also be there along to clear your doubts. Anything that kind of discussions is basically required, right? The price of this batch is 13,000 rupees, 13,000 inclusive of GST. In the market, guys, this course is basically sold for 2.5 lakh rupees INR. For US people, this batch will be a little bit costly. The reason is very simple, because there is a payment gateway charges. Okay. But we are not charging 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs. There is only 13,000 rupees GST, inclusive of GST. And the reason is very simple, because I definitely want to teach many people as possible as we can, because we are not just doing this for profitability, right? We are going to do this specific batch so that we reach many people, we add values, so that tomorrow, if you go in the industry, if you talk about, if you put all these things in your resume, it'll be quite amazing, right? So yes, this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. And all the information regarding this will be given in the description of this particular video. Thank you. Have a great day ahead. Take care. Bye-bye.